Imagine waking up tomorrow and hearing this headline. The government just created $1 trillion overnight. No warning. No crisis footage. No panic in the streets. And somehow, prices don't explode. Your coffee costs the same. Rent doesn't double. The dollar doesn't collapse. That's uncomfortable. Because we're told something very simple our entire lives. Print more money, prices go up. Always. So why didn't it? And more importantly, when does it? That question matters right now. Because over the last 15 years, governments, especially the United States, created trillions of dollars. Quietly. Digitally. For a long time, almost nothing happened. No runaway inflation. No immediate collapse. Until suddenly, there was. So why didn't printing money cause inflation right away? Because money doesn't move by itself. It needs somewhere to go. When governments print money today, they don't dump cash into the streets. They create digital money and send it into very specific places. Banks. Financial markets. Government debt. Not grocery stores. Not gas stations. Not your paycheck. After the 2008 financial crisis, trillions were created to keep the financial system alive, not to make people spend. The money went into balance sheets, not shopping carts. And here's the key idea. Inflation doesn't come from money existing. It comes from money moving. When money stays parked in banks and markets, it doesn't chase everyday goods. Instead, it inflates assets. Stocks rise. Housing prices climb. Wealth concentrates. For years, inflation looked low, but asset prices quietly exploded. People said, printing money didn't cause inflation. What they really meant was, it didn't raise the prices I personally notice. Inflation wasn't gone. It was hiding. And then there's velocity. How fast money changes hands. After 2008, velocity collapsed. People were scared. Banks were cautious. Companies hoarded cash. More money, but slower movement. Like adding cars to a highway where no one's moving, no crash. Then came the pandemic. This time, money didn't just go to banks. It went directly to people. Stimulus checks. Unemployment support. At the same time, supply chains broke. Factories shut down. Shipping slowed. More money, fewer goods. Velocity snapped back. People spent. Businesses raised prices. Inflation showed up everywhere, all at once. It felt sudden, but it wasn't. Pressure had been building for years. Inflation isn't just about money supply. It's about production, confidence, and trust. Once people expect prices to rise, inflation feeds itself. And that's what central banks fear most: losing credibility. Modern economies run on debt. Governments borrow. Companies borrow. People borrow. Money expands to keep the system breathing. Printing money isn't a mistake. It's a design choice. A risky one. Because inflation isn't evenly shared. People with assets benefit first. People living paycheck to paycheck feel it last and hardest. By the time food and rent rise, the damage is already done. So the truth is this: printing money doesn't cause inflation immediately. It doesn't cause it evenly. And it doesn't feel obvious until suddenly it does. Money isn't just paper or numbers. It's trust, and trust can hold longer than expected. But when it cracks, it moves faster than anyone is ready for. So ask yourself, if money only works because we believe in it, what happens when belief fades faster than policymakers can react? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to explain next.